Cold salad are usually served as an appetizer before a meal. But in fact, cold dishes are a great contributor to health and longevity. Ingredients are black fungus, snow fungus, cucumber, bell peppers, chilies, and coriander. Soak the snow fungus in cold water and rub it with a little flour to better remove the dust on the surface. Do not use hot water because high temperature can easily cause the loss of nutrients and also affect the taste of white fungus. Wash snow fungus in running water. Snow fungus remove stem and handbrake into small pieces. You may also cut it with scissors. Bell pepper remove stem and seeds and cut into small pieces. Cucumber remove head and tail, flatten it with knife and cut into small pieces. Chopped coriander. Diced chilies. Black fungus remove stem and trim into bite sizes. Blanch snow fungus for 3 minutes, then soak in cold water, then set aside. Repeat the same steps for black fungus to blanch it for 3 minutes, then soak in cold water and set aside. Pour all ingredients into bowl. The bowl is too small, let's change to a larger bowl with depth so that the ingredients can be mixed evenly. Season to taste and mix evenly. Optional to add peanut to add crispy texture while biting. It's delicious. Wash peanut and drain. Pat dry with kitchen tow. Mix with cooking oil. Air fryer at 180 degree for 8 minutes, then 200 degree for 5 minutes. Smells so good. Let it cool down. Garnish with peanut when served. Mix well and let's enjoy. The color is very beautiful. This cold salad is not greasy and is really appetizing. It is a great dish during hot weather. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Follow my channel, so you may refer to the recipes in the future anytime you like. Don't forget to follow my channel, so you can refer the recipes anytime you like in the future. I like Easy Recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? Peanuts are rich in vitamin E and zinc, which are indispensable nutrients for brain development. They can effectively delay brain function decline and enhance memory. Snow fungus can improve the detoxification ability of the liver and protect liver function. Snow fungus cannot be eaten with spinach, white radish, egg yolk, animal liver, and other foods. This is because snow fungus is rich in phosphorus and iron will combine to form insoluble compounds, which affects digestion and nutritional value. The capsaicin contained in colored peppers can promote the metabolism of fat, prevent the accumulation of fat in the body, and is beneficial to lowering fat, losing weight, and preventing diseases. Studies have found that the antioxidants in bell peppers can prevent diseases such as cancer and atherosclerosis related to oxidative stress to a certain extent. Black fungus is good for the heart and brain. Black fungus is known as the meat among vegetables because of its rich protein content. The fiber and colloid in it help clean up the digestive system and are known as intestinal scavengers. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, ya.